So in this video, we're going to talk about how to filter data and sort data using a table. Now, feel free to download the Excel worksheet in the comment section below to work along with me. Now, for instance, you are given the teams and the points. You are required to filter this data. So to filter this data, you have to first insert a table. To insert a table, simply highlight the data, click OK, table, and OK. So that's how you could insert a table using Excel. Now let's say maybe you want teams Barcelona and Real Madrid only. You do not want PSG. Just go to this arrow and unselect all and select Barcelona and Real Madrid. Click OK. Now you have Barcelona and Real Madrid only. Let's say maybe you want PSG only, so just select PSG and unselect. Now you have PSG only. Okay, let's say maybe you want Real Madrid only. Just select Real Madrid, click OK. So let's say maybe you want Barcelona only. So unselect all, Barcelona, select Barcelona, click OK. So that's how you could use filtering and using a table. Now let's select them all. So let's say maybe you want to filter or sort rather this data alphabetically. So simply select the data, left click, sort A to Z. Now your data is sorted alphabetically. So that's how you could use Excel to sort data and filter data. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.